How to customize behavior categories on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are logged in, select the class where you want to customize behavior categories. You will be taken to your classroom dashboard where you can see all your students and your current behavior or skill point. Tap on a student and here you will see two main sections, positive behaviors and needs work behavior. In the positive behavior section, you can add new categories by tapping the add skill button and entering the skill name such as honesty, hard work or any other positive behavior you would like to track. Next, assign a point value from 0 to 5 and choose the suitable skill icon that best represents the behavior. Once done, tap Save to add it. Similarly, in the Needs Work section, you can add custom behaviors such as bad handwriting, incomplete work, or disruptive behavior and assign negative point to help guide students toward improvement. You can also rename, edit, or delete existing behaviors to make your classroom management more flexible and personalized. Once you finish customizing, tap Save to apply all changes. Now you know how to customize behavior categories on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.